Shall we start with the prayer? Will Anand tell the prayer?
But actually, before that, the one thing I want to tell you there was a temple by name Vallabh in Wembley, London.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Okay. You tell Vallabh when he comes that there was a temple in London about on his name.
actually, there was one place named Anjana in Wembley.
Really? Oh my God.
Yes, actually, Anjana's there. I should maybe could I tell her?
Yes, yes, you can tell her. Anchal, did you listen to what Anand told?
Oh, sir.
There's a place called Anjana in London, it seems. Where is there in London?
Wembley.
That's nice. I didn't know about it.
Yes. दक्षिणा
Anand?
दक्षिणामूर्तिसारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् रमणाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत् आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाजिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवम्.
Namo Ramana. We'll leave the first three. Okay, first three we all know a little bit. No, we'll go to the next three. From there we'll do till what you've learned and then we'll continue. Okay. Ready, Anand? You start first. Kartari Mukha Mayura
मयूर
Ardha Chandra
चन्द्र
Nane Kartari Mukha Na Toruve Kangala Na Toruve Kangala ರಮಣರ ಕಡೆಗಣ್ಣ ನೋಟದಿಂದ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಚೋರರ ಪತನ ನಾನೇ ಮಯೂರ ನಾಟ್ಯಾನಂದ ವೈಯಾರ ರಮಣನ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಬಿಡಿನವಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಶುದ್ಧ ಸತ್ವದ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ನಾನೇ ಅರ್ಧಚಂದ್ರ ಚಂದ್ರನು ನಾ ಅರ್ಧನು ಆದರೂ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆನು ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಳವನು ಆದರೂ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆನು ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಳವನು ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಳವನು ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಳವನು ಕರ್ತರಿ ಮುಖ ವಿನಿಯೋಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಪುಂಸಯೋಸ್ತು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷೆ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಪುಂಸಯೋಸ್ತು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷೆ ವಿಪರ್ಯಾಸ
ವಿಪರ್ಯ
ಪದೇಪಿವ ಲುಂಟನೆ
ಲುಂಟನೆ
ನಯನಾಂತೆ ಚ
ನಾಂತೆ ಚ
ಮರಣೆ
ಹರಣೆ
ಖೇದ ಭಾವನೆ
ಭೇದ ಭಾವನೆ
ವಿದ್ಯುಧರ್ತೆ
ದತ್ತೆ
Vidyudharte is lightning from the sky. It should fall down like this. Okay. Vidyudharte.
ವಿದ್ಯುದರ್ಥೆ
Okay, not from the head, from the sky. Where is the sky? Lift your hands up in the sky. Vidyudharte. Ekashayya virate. Patane tata. Natayam.
ಲತಾಯಾಂ
Jujjate yastu.
ಯುಜ್ಯತೆ ಯಸ್ತು
Sakara kartari mukaha.
ಸಕರ ಕರ್ತರಿ ಮುಗಃ
Next is Mayurasye.
ದೂರಸ್ಯೆ
Peak of the Mayuram. Then Latayam cha.
ಲತಾಯಾಂ ಚ
Shakune.
ಶಕುನೆ
Vamane tata.
ಪುನನಿ ತಥಾ
Alakasyapanayane.
ಆಲಕಸ್ಯ ಪಯನೆ
Lalate tilakeshu cha.
ಲಾತೆ ಕಿಶತೆ ಚುಚ
Nadyudakasya.
ನದ್ಯುದಕಸ್ಯ
Nikshepe.
ಕ್ಷೇಪೆ
Or we have one more version. Netrasyodaka.
ನೇತಸ್ಯ ಗತ
Nikshepe.
ವಿಕ್ಷೇಪೆ
ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವಾದೇ
शास्त्रवादे
प्रसिद्धके
प्रसिद्धके
एवमर्थेषु युज्यन्ते
एवमत्येषु युज्यन्ते
मयूरकरभावनाः.
मयूरकरभावनाः.
Mayura comes Ardhachandra. Ready? Chandre
ते
Krishnashtami Bhaji
कृष्णाष्टमी भाजी
Kalahastartake Picha Allayude
मल्लायुडे
Devata Nama
देवतानाम
Abhishechana Karmani
कर्मणि
Bhupatre cha
उपसे च
Udbhave cha
उद्भवे च
Yam
विद्यां
Chintayam
चिन्तायाम्
Atmavachake
आत्मवाजके
प्राकृतानां नमस्कारे
प्राकृतारां नमस्कारे
अर्धचन्द्रो नियुज्यते.
अर्थचन्द्रो नियुज्यते.
Very good. Okay, we'll go to Samudyatanam. Samudya, will you tell? I'll put the Shruti bit. ಅರಾಳ ಶುಕತುಂಡ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಅರಾಳ ಶುಕತುಂಡ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರಾಳ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ವಿಷ ಅಮೃತ ವಿಷವನು ಅಮೃತಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು ರಮಣರ ಕರುಣಾ ಪವನ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶುಕತುಂಡ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಬಾಣವ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಸ್ತ್ರದಿಂದ ನಶಿಪುದು ಉಗ್ರಮಾಯ ರಹಸ್ಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಸ್ಥಿರ ಭಾವ ಮಲ್ಲಯುದ್ಧ ಇಲ್ಲದೆಯೇ ಅಚಲವಾಗಿ ರಮಣ ಶಕ್ತಿ ರಮಣ ಶಕ್ತಿ ರಮಣ ಶಕ್ತಿ. The Vinyoga song. There is some net audio problem. Will you tell yourself? विषामृतादि भवानेषु प्रचण्ड पवनेषु युज्यते अराळहस्तोऽयं तत्तत् कर्म प्रयोगः.
Your voice is not audible.
1 second. युज्यते अराळहस्तोऽयं until that 1 second. युज्यते अराळहस्तोऽयं भरतागमकोविदैः. Very good. Shukatunda has the okay. Bhanaproyoge
बाणप्रयोगे
कुन्तार्ते कुन्तार्ते आलयस्य स्मृतिक्रमे मर्मोक्ते उग्रभावेषु शुकतुण्डो नियुज्यते मुष्टि. Okay, स्थिरे is determination. Okay, kachagrahe, somebody pulling somebody's hair like this. Kachagrahe dalyam वस्त्वादीनां च धारणे वस्त्वादीनां च धारणे. Then मल्लानां युद्धभावेऽपि मुष्टिहस्तोऽयमिष्यते. मिष्यते. Very good. Okay, shall we go to Rashmi? Yes, Rashmi. Shikara.
Shikara.
Shikara kapitta katakamuka. Shikara
Shikara kapita katakamuka.
Shikara kapitta katakamuka. Shikara kapitta katakamuka. Nanna hesaru Shikara.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಿಖರ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಮನ್ಮಥನ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಮನ್ಮಥನ.
ರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಗೆಯ ನೆನಪು.
ರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆಗೆಯ ನೆನಪು.
ಮುರಿಯುವುದು
ಮುರಿಯುವುದು
ಮನ್ಮಥನ ಭಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮನ್ಮಥನ ಭಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಪಿತ್ತ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಪಿತ್ತ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮಾತೆಯ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮಾತೆಯ.
ಮಾತೆಗಿಂತ ಕರುಣೀ ರಮಣ.
ಮಾತೆಗಿಂತ ಕರುಣೀ ರಮಣ.
ಕೊಡಿಸುವ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಂಜನವ.
ಗುಣಿಸುವ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಂಜನವ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಟಕ ಮುಖ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಟಕಾಮುಖ.
ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ.
ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರ ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ.
ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯ
ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯ
ಹೂಗಳ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ.
ಹೂಗಳ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ
ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವೆ.
ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವೆ.
ಕಮಲನಾಥಗೆ.
ರಮಣನಾಥಗೆ.
Ready? Shikarahasta. Okay, it is used to show the god of desires, god of love, Kamadeva. He's called Madhane.
ಮಧನೆ.
And show rainbow. Karmuke.
ಕಾರ್ಮುಕೆ.
Be.
ಭೇ.
Stambhe. Nishchaye.
ನಿಶ್ಚಯೇ.
Read it. Yes, this is what is decision.
ನಿಶ್ಚಯೇ.
Pitritarpane.
ಪಿತೃತರ್ಪಣೆ.
Ushte.
ಉಷ್ಟೇ.
प्रविष्टरूपे च.
ಪ್ರವಿಷ್ಟರೂಪೇ ಚ.
प्रदने.
ವಧನೆ.
कृष्णभावने.
ಪ್ರಶ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ.
हे.
ಲಿಂಗೆ.
नास्तीति वचने.
ಆಸ್ತೀತಿ ವಚನೆ.
स्मरणे.
ಸ್ಮರಣೆ.
ರಮಣ ನಿನ್ನ ನಗೆಯ ನೆನಪು. ನೆನಪು means what? ಸ್ಮರಣೆ. ಅಭಿನಯಾಂತರೆ.
ಅಭಿನಯಾಂತರೆ.
ಪ್ರತಿಬಂಧಾಕರ್ಷಣೆ ಚ.
ಬಂಧಾಕರ್ಷಣೆ ಚ.
ಪರಿರಂಭ ವಿಧಿಕ್ರಮೆ.
ಪರಿರಂಭ ವಿರಿಘ್ರಮೆ.
One more line is there in this one, but it's not there in this book. Okay. Yujjate.
ಯುಜ್ಯತೆ.
Sorry, sir. One second. Ganta ninade.
ಘಂಟಾದಿನಾದೆ.
Shikaro.
ಶಿಖರೋ.
Yujjate bharatadibihi.
ಯುಜ್ಯತೆ ಭರತಾಗ್ನಿಃ.
Okay, here one more line is there just for reference. Okay, you don't have to learn this one. Shaktitor Marayor Mokshe.
Titor Maramor Yokshe.
That is to take one ayudam and to leave the ayudam like this. Okay, you have one Trishulam of Shiva. Okay, Shaktitor Marayor Mokshe. Shaktitor
Shaktitor Maramor Mokshe.
Ghanta Nadecha
Ghanta Narthe Cha
Peshane.
Peshane.
Is grinding the sandalwood. Okay, you have sandalwood like this and you grind it so that you get sandalwood paste
Peshane.
which you can put like this. Okay, that is called peshane. Shikaro yujjate soyam
Shikaro Yujjate Shoyam
Bharatagama vedibihi.
Bharatagama Veditihi.
Very good. Kapitta hasta vinyoga. Okay. Lakshmyam chaiva
Lakshmyam Chaiva
Saraswatyam
Saraswatyam
Natanam taladharane
Atanyam Taladharane
Godhane cha
Bodhorne Cha
Anjane cha
Anjane Cha
Leela kusumadharane.
Leela Kusumadharane.
Next one is Chelan Cheladi Grahane.
Chelan Cheladi Grahane.
It says pulling your pallu. Okay, you can pull your own pallu, or Krishna can pull Amma's pallu like this. Amma Yashoda, I want butter. Okay, Chelan Cheladi Grahane.
Chelan Cheladi Grahane.
Atasyaiva Avakuntane.
Bhataschaiva Avakuntane.
It's very, very, very cold. You take a bed sheet and you wear it like this. How do you wear? That is Patasyaiva Avakuntane.
Bhataschaiva Avakuntane.
Deepadhuparchane chapi.
Deepadhuparchane Chapi.
Kapitta samprayujjate.
Kapitta Samprayujjate.
One more. That is Katakamuka. Usumavachaye.
Sumavachaye.
Muktasragdanam.
Mukta Shraddhanam
Karane tata.
Dharane Tatha
Sharamandakarshane cha.
Charamandha Karshane Cha
Nagavalli pradhanake.
Nagavalli Pradhanake.
Kasturikadi vastvanam.
Kasturikadi Vastvanam
Peshane.
Peshane
Gandhavasane.
Gandhavasane
Vachane.
Vachane
Drishtibhavepi.
Drishti Bhavepi
Katakamuka ishyate.
Katakamuka Ishyate.
Very good. Now I will move to the I'll move to the audience who are sitting here. Okay, they will do next three. Then you can. Okay. The sign in between. Ready? Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Nanna Hesaru Suchi, Natoruve Sankhevunda, Natoruve Sankhevunda. ನೂರಾರು ಜೀವಿಗಳಿಗೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಆತ್ಮಸೂರ್ಯನೆಂದನು ರಮಣ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾ ನಾ ಕಲಾಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ಸೋಮಸುಂದರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಲಾನಗಬೀರಿದರಮಣ ಲೀಲಾನಗಬೀರಿದರಮಣ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪದ್ಮಕೋಶ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪದ್ಮಕೋಶ ಹೂಗೊಂಚಲನ ತೋರುವೆ ಹೂಗೊಂಚಲನ ತೋರುವೆ ಹೂಮಳೆಯ ಸಂತಸ ಹೂಮಳೆಯ ಸಂತಸ ತರುವ ರಮಣನ ನೈದಿಲೆ ನಯನ ತರುವ ರಮಣನ ನೈದಿಲೆ ನಮನ ತರುವ ರಮಣನ ನೈದಿಲೆ ನಯನ ತರುವ ರಮಣನ ನೈದಿಲೆ ನಮನ ಸೂಚಿಹಸ್ತ ವಿನಿಯೋಗ. ಓಕೆ. ಏಕಾರ್ತೆಪಿ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಭಾವನಾಯಾಂ ಶತೇಪಿ ಚ. Yes, even 100 you can show. Then ravau nagaryaam lokarte tate tateti vachanepi cha. Correct, that is what I told. Tateti vachanepi cha tateti vachanepi cha yat shabdepi cha tat shabde व्यजनार्थे अपितर्जने खाशे thin. Okay, खाशे शलाकवपुषी आश्चर्ये वेणिभावने छत्रे समर्थे पाणौ रोमाण्यां भेरिवादने कुलालचक्रभ्रमणे रथाङ्गे मण्डले तथा विवेचने दिनान्ते च सूचिहस्तप्रकीर्तितः चन्द्रकलाहस्त. चन्द्रे मुखे प्रादेशे तन्मात्राकारवस्तुनि शिवस्य मकुटे गङ्गानद्यां नगुडेऽपि च एषा चन्द्रकला चैव विनियोज्य विधीयते. Padmakoshahasta. Padmakoshahasta is to show phale, fruits, bilva kapittadau, bilva fruit and kapitta fruit and other fruits. Okay, bilva kapittadau, strinam cha kuchakumbayoho, strinam cha kuchakumbayoho, avarte Khanduke Stalyam. Stalyam is a cooking pot. Stalyam Bojane Pushpakarake. Pushpakarake is a bud. Okay, Pushpakarake Sahakarapale is a mango. Then Pushpavarshe is a rain of flowers. And Manjarikadishu. Manjari is a bouquet of flowers. Okay. Then we have Japa Kusuma Bhavecha Ganta Rupe Vidhanake Valmike is an ant hill. Valmiki, Hutta of the snake. Okay. Valmike Kamalepi Ande Padmakosho Vidhiyate. Very good. Next one. Shall we go to Anant once again? Sadasani da pama Sarvash Sarpashisha, Sarpashisha. You should unmute yourself, Anand. Sarpashisha. You should sing the song. Sarpashisha.
Sarpashisha,
Brigashirsha.
Nigashisha,
Hamuka.
Mukha,
Sarpashirsha.
Sarpashisha,
Brigashirsha.
Nigashisha,
Simhamuka.
Simhamukha,
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್ಪಶೀರ್ಷ.
Saro Sarpashisha,
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಸರ್ಪವಾ.
Sarpabha,
ಸರ್ಪಭೂಷಣನ
Sarpabhushana,
ಕೃಪಾ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ಷಣ
Upatrokshana,
ಪೋಷಿಸುವುದು
Pushisudu,
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾ.
Sarvajivava,
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೃಗಶೀರ್ಷ.
Mannaha Saro Mrigashisha,
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಆಹ್ವಾನ.
Naturya Ahwana,
ನರ ನಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ
Naranariyallala,
ಕರೆವ
Kariva,
ರಮಣಾನಂದ ಕುಹರಧಾಮ. ರಮಣಾನಂದ ಕುಹರಧಾಮ. ನರ ನಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ
Nariyalla,
ಕರೆವ
Kariva,
ರಮಣಾನಂದ ಕುಹರಧಾಮ. ರಮಣಾನಂದ
Ramanananda,
ಕುಹರಧಾಮ.
Kuharadhama,
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ಸಿಂಹಮುಖ.
Muhamukha,
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಸಿಂಹವಾ.
Naturavi Simhava,
ಹವಳ ನಗೆಯಲಿ
Avayanahili,
ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಹರಿಸಿದ.
Tripura Hesida,
Tripura, there was 3 cities called Tripurasura. Okay, there were 3 brothers who were in the form of 3 cities, and they were creating problems to all the people. So they had taken a boon from Brahma that they can only be killed by a very powerful arrow which can pierce all the 3 cities at the same time. Okay, nobody could do it. Okay, at one point of time, all the 3 cities were supposed to come together in an eclipse, and Shiva went there and he was all ready with his pinaka bow and with the arrow. He was ready to shoot it, but he just smiled at that cities. What did he do? He smiled like the coral. Or did he smile like the Havada? He just gave a beautiful smile like this. As soon as he gave the smile, all the 3 cities started burning. What did I do?
Burning,
Burning. Okay. Havala nagayali.
Avayanahili,
Havala means it's the coral. It's very, very precious stones. Okay. It is made up of, they make nice ornaments out of these havalas. Okay. Havala nagayali.
Avayanahili,
Tripura harisida.
Harisida,
Yogi Simha Guru Ramana.
Ramana,
Yogi Simha Guru Ramana.
Ramana,
Okay, the Simha is the king of the jungle. No. So Ramana Tata is the king of the jungle. Right? He is the king of all of us. He is taking care of all of us and he is protecting us from all the dangers. Okay. Shall we do the Vinyogas now? Okay. I want Anand to do one and be ready. Samudra one will, and then Rashmi will do one. Ready? Sarpashirsha.
Sarpashisha,
Bhujage. Sorry.
Jage,
First one is Chandane.
Chandani,
Bhujage.
Jake,
Bhujage snake. Mandre.
Andre,
Mandre is like soft. Talk softly. Be quiet or go slow. How do you say?
Andre,
Sarpashisha and do Mandre.
Mandre,
Prokshani.
Prokshani,
Prokshani is sprinkling water. You take the water like this and sprinkle like this. Prokshani.
Prokshani,
Poshani Tata.
Prokshani, Tata,
Poshani is like you put your hand around the head like this. Ramana Tata used to do like that. If Cow Lakshmi used to come, he used to do like this on the head with Sarpashisha on his head. Hand. Okay. That is Poshani पोषणादिषु पोषणादिषु पोषणादिषु
पोषणादिषु
then devasya argyadaneshu
देवस्य अर्घनादेषु
aspale.
अस्फले
You're telling very good, very good. How do you say very good? Aspale
अस्फले
gaja kumbhayoho
कुम्भयोः
bhujasthane tu
दुस्साने तु
mallanam.
मल्लानां
Mallanam are wrestlers. Okay, wrestlers, what they do? They pat their own shoulders like this. Hey, come, let's fight. Let's start the wrestling. Okay, how do they do? They hold a hand like this and say, bhujasthane tu
दुस्साने तु
mallanam.
प्राणां
Okay, yujyate sarpashirshakah.
ते सर्पदेशकः
When you hold sarpashirshana, hold pataka hasta like this, Anand. Hold pataka hasta. You should only bend the fingers. Okay, you should not bend this palm. Okay, only the fingers are bent. Very good. Ready? Shall we go to Samudyata now? Yes, Samudyata. Mrigashirsha. Nanna hesaru. As we told the shlok, no? Stridamarte. That is to show another ladies like this, okay, or show mother. Okay, you hold Mrigashirsha. And then Kapoleka. That is cheeks. Chakra. Maryadayorapi. Then Bhityam. Bhityam is being afraid. How do you say afraid? Don't do anything to me, I'm afraid. Bhityam. Vivade. Nepatye. Nepatye is green room. Nepatye. Ahvane cha. Tripundrake. Then Mukha Mukhe. Mukha Mukhe. You are there and your friend's Mukha is here. No. So how do you see? Your face is here, my face is here. Mukha Mukhe. Mukha Mukhe. Ranga Malyam. Then pressing the feet of Mahavishnu like this. Pada Sambhahane Tata. Pada Sarvasya Milane. Kama Mandire. Chhatradharane. Sanchare cha. Priya Ahvane. Yujyate Mrigashirshakah. We do like this. Ahvane is calling like this. Please come. Okay. Priya Ahvane is come with love. Okay. If you are calling a small baby, how do you call? Like this. Come. Come. Okay. If you have to show somebody to come and dance, we hold Ahvane. We do this. Ahvane, please come. Okay, we do know. Bhagyada Lakshmi Bharamma. How do you do? Please come. How do you say Ahvana? Like this. Okay. Next is Rashmi. Ready, Rashmi? Simha Mukasta Vinyoga. Okay. We'll do the first two lines, which is not there also, so that you are familiar with it. The first two lines is what? Vidrume.
Vidrume.
Mauktika. Mauktike Chaiva.
Mauktike Chaiva.
Sugandhe.
Sugandhe.
Alakasparshane.
Alakasparshane.
Akarnen.
Akarnen.
Akarnane cha.
Akarnane cha.
Karna means ears. Okay. Akarnane means listening through the ears. Okay. Akarnane cha.
Akarnane cha.
Prishati.
Prishati.
Point. or you can say it's a drop of water. Prishati,
Prishati.
moksharte,
Moksharthe.
kriti samstite.
Hridhi samstithe.
Then home.
Home.
Home is the Homa Kunda that we do Homa, no. At home, then
Home.
Shashe.
Shashe.
Shashe is a jumping rabbit. Okay. Shashe.
Shashe.
Gaje.
Ghaje.
Darbachalane.
Darbachalane.
Then Padmadhamne. Padmadhamani.
Padmadhamne.
Padmadhamani is petals of the lotus. Padmadhamani. Usually,
Padmadhamani.
when you say talk about a lotus like Rama, you say like this, like lotus like eyes, like this we say. Okay. Padmadhamani.
Padmadhamini.
Simhanane
Simhanane.
is the tiger. Vaidyapake
Vaidhyapagre.
Shodhane
Shodhane.
Samprayujyate.
Samprayujyate.
Got it? These are the usages of Samyamuka. Kangula Alapadma Chatura Kangula. How to show Kangula? You hold your hand and you bend your ring finger and you make a circle like this. Okay, like a small fruit. Okay, Anant, are you ready for the next one? Yes, unmute. You can sing the song. Kangula. Kangula Alapadma Chatura. Okay, ready, Anand? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Kangula
Kangula.
Alapadma
Alapatma.
Chatura. Kangula
Kangula.
Alapadma
Alapatma.
Chatura. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಂಗೂಲ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಂಗೂಲ then what I show is ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಕಿರುಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ means salangai. Salangai is what the bells that we wear in the this one, no, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ for the dance. Okay, how is it? They are so big, they are not small. Okay, this much big. Okay, na toruve kirugeಜ್ಜೆಯ na toruve kirugeಜ್ಜೆಯ. Okay, aham ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯನಾದ.
Aham Gijayadharna.
Okay, aham, the inside our heart there is Nataraja. Aham Gejjayanada. Aham
Gijayanada.
Gejjayanada. Hridaya Natarajana Nritya. Hridaya Natarajana Nritya. Okay, it is the dance of Nataraja. You can also show, use this one has that to show Agni like this. Okay, so like this. Hridaya Natarajana Nritya. Hridaya Natarajana Nritya. Ready? Got it?
Yes.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಂಗೂಲ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ಕಾಂಗೂಲ.
ಕಾಂಗೂಲ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಕಿರುಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ.
ತೋರುವೆ
ಕಿರುಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ.
ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ.
ಅಹಂ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯನಾದ.
ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ.
ಹೃದಯ ನಟರಾಜನ ನೃತ್ಯ. ಹೃದಯ ನಟರಾಜನ. You should keep your left side. Left side you can nritya.
Nritya.
Very good. That is Kangula Hasta. Okay. Shall we learn the Vinyogas of Kangula Hasta? Kangula Hasta is used to show, okay, Lakuchasya Pale. Lakuchasya Pale is a small berry, like a strawberry or a lemon. How to show a small berry like this? Lakuchasya Pale.
Lakuchasya pale.
Balakinkinyam.
Balakinkyam.
Okay. Gantikartake.
Gantikartake.
Chakore.
Chakore.
Chakore is a bird which is always attracted to the moon. Chakorange Chandramana Belakina Chinte. Okay. So you show Chandra like this and you show a bird flying towards Chandra. It is called Chakora. What is it called?
Chakora.
Chakore. Then
Chakore.
Karmuke.
Muke.
Is a beetle nut. Okay. Have you seen a beetle nut? Okay. You have the round beetle nut like this. Okay. That is called beetle nut is adke.
Yes.
Now use mod adke and usually it is broken into small pieces. But if you see the adke tree, if you go inside, you will find that the beetle nut is round like this. What is it?
Round.
Round. Okay. That is Karmuke.
Karmuke.
Balakuche.
Balakuche.
That is the breast of a small girl. Okay. Balakuche.
Balakuche.
Kalharake tata.
Lare tata.
Kalharake is also one more fruit. Okay. Then we have Chatake.
Chatake.
Chatake is also one more bird. Chatake.
Chatake.
Narikele.
Narikele.
Narikela is coconut. Okay. A small coconut like this. Narikele.
Narikele cha.
Angulo Yujyate Karaha. Angulo
Angulo.
Yujyate Karaha.
Yujyate karaha.
Shall we try once again? Lakuchasya Pale.
Lakuchasya pale.
Balakinkinyam.
Balakinkyam.
Then Gantikartake.
Gantikartake.
Gantikartake ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ bell. Okay. Gatikartake means a tablet. Gatika means tablet. How do you take a tablet? Dodda tablet. Oh, like this. Yes. Gatika or Gantika. Okay, you can tell any one of them. Okay. Gatikartake.
Kartake.
Okay. Then it is. Then we have Chakore. Chakore.
Chakore.
Chakore told it's attracted to the moon. Chakore.
Chakore.
Karmuke.
Karmuke.
Balakuche.
Balakuche.
Kalharake tata. Kalharake tata.
Lare tata.
Another kind of a bird, Chataka bird. Okay. Chatake tata.
Chatake tata.
Chatake.
Chatake.
Narikele cha.
Narikele cha.
If somebody comes to your house, we give them tambula, no? So we give tambula, narikele cha.
Narikele cha.
Kangulo Yujyate Karaha. Kangulo Yujyate Karaha. Very good. Okay. Shall we go to Samudyata now? Okay. Kangula Alapadma.
Kangula Alapadma.
Alapadma is Nanna Hesaru Alapadma.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಲಪದ್ಮ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಅರಳಿದ ಕಮಲ.
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಅರಳಿದ ಕಮಲ.
ಚಂದ್ರ Okay. Chandra Chand. I forgot the tune. I'm sorry. Let me listen to it once again. Okay. Yes, Chandrana Chandada, Chandrana Chandada, Ramanana Notadi,
ಕನ್ನಡ ನೋಟದಿ
Aralitu Hridayada,
ಅರಳಿತು ಹೃದಯದ
Neeli Kamala.
ನೀಲಿ ಕಮಲ.
Okay, Neeli Kamala means blue lily. Okay, the otherwise the Kamala means it's usually pink color in color. No, okay, the pink color Kamala only blossoms when the sun rays falls on it. Okay, it's a friend of the sun. When the sun rays falls on the Kamala, it blossoms. But Neeli Kamala, Ganapati Muni says in one of his songs, Neelaravinda Suhrida Sadrisham Prasade. Ramana Tata, in blessing, you are like the moon, which is the friend of the blue lily. So when moon like Ramana Tata's face, he sees us. Okay, when he sees us, the blue lilies of our heart, it blossoms. Ready? Nanna hesaru Alapadma,
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಲಪದ್ಮ,
ನಾ ತೋರುವೆ ಅರಳಿದ ಕಮಲ, ನಾ
ತೋರುವೆ ಅರಳಿದ ಕಮಲ,
ಚಂದ್ರನ ಚಂದದ,
ಚಂದ್ರನ ಚಂದದ,
ರಮಣನ ನೋಟ,
ರಮಣನ ನೋಟ,
ನೋಟದಿ
ನೋಟದಿ
ಅರಳಿತು ಹೃದಯದ,
ಅರಳಿತು ಹೃದಯದ,
ನೀಲಿ ಕಮಲ.
ನೀಲಿ ಕಮಲ.
Okay, now shall we learn the usages of the Alapadma? Okay, first usage is to show the blossomed lotus. Okay, Vikachabje. Vikachabje andre Vikasita lotus. Abja means lotus. Okay, Vikachabje,
ತಚಾವಿಕೆ
Bilva,
ಬಿಲ್ವ,
Kapitadi Phale,
ಕಪಿತ್ತಾಧಿ ಫಲೆ,
Avartake.
ಆವರ್ತಕೆ,
When you turn like this, rotate, you use Alapadma. No, Avartake,
ಆವರ್ತಕೆ,
Kuche, Kuche, Kuche is like this. Okay, then you say Virahe.
ವಿರಹೇ,
Viraha means be separated from somebody. Virahe,
ವಿರಹೇ,
Mukure. Mukure andre kannadi. Okay, you see Mukura like this and smile at yourself. Mukure, Purna Chandre,
ಚಂದ್ರೆ,
Saundharya,
ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ,
Bhavane.
ಭಾವನೆ,
To show something very, very beautiful. Saundharya Bhavane.
ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆ,
To show one gantu, it's called Dhammille. Chandrashalayam.
ಚಂದ್ರಶಾಲಾಯಂ,
Chandrashala means if you see the sky, you'll have the Chandra and all the stars. Okay, it's like a school where all the stars are all students and Chandra is the teacher. Okay, Chandrashalayam.
Chandrasalaya.
Grame
Rame.
cha uddata kopayoho.
Kopayo.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೋಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೋಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಉದ್ಧತ ಕೋಪಯೋಹೋ.
Kopayoho.
ಓಕೆ, ತಟಾಕೆ. Tatake means a lake. How to show a lake? A nice lake. Tatake. Shakate. Shakate is a chariot. Okay. Chakravake. Chakravake are lovebirds. Two lovebirds are always together like this. Chakravake. Then Kalakalarave.
Kalakara.
You hear some sound. Kala like this. Okay. Kalakalarave. Shlagane.
Lagane.
Aha, how beautiful you are. How great you are. Shlagane.
Lagane.
Swa alapadmascha. Saha alapadmascha. Kirtito bharatagame. Okay.
Lagane.
Once again, shall we do? Vikachabje. Kapityadipale. Kapityadi. Avartake. Kuche. Virahe. Mukure. Purnachandre. Saundarya bhavane.
Saundarya bhavane.
Dammille. Dammille is gantu. ಈ ತರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಗಂಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದಂಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಗಂಟು. ದಮ್ಮಿಲ್ಲೆ. ಚಂದ್ರಶಾಲಾಯಾಂ. ಗ್ರಾಮೇ ಚ ಉದ್ಧತ ಕೋಪಯೋಃ. ತಟಾಕೆ. ಶಕಟೆ. ಚಕ್ರವಾಕೆ. ಕಲಕಲಾರವೆ. ಶ್ಲಾಘನೆ. ಸಹ ಅಲಪದ್ಮಶ್ಚ. ಇತೋ ಭರತಾಗಮೇ. Very good. Okay. I will teach you the next also. Chatura late next tomorrow's class I will teach you. Okay. Chatura and we'll continue with the other 4. Okay. Shall we do it next class? Will you remember till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Rashmi, you want to tell the ending prayer?
Sir, I do not know it completely.
Yes. I will teach you. You repeat after I say. Will you do that?
Yes, sir.
Join your hands. Okay. And repeat. Apara Satchit.
Apara Satchit.
Sukhavari Rashe.
Sukhavari Rashe.
Yasyorni Matram.
Yasyorni Matram.
Bhuvanam Samastam.
Bhuvanam Samastam.
Uhahitam Tam.
Uharitam Tam.
Ramanam Gabhiram.
Ramanam Bhagiram.
Chinta Vihinam.
Chinta Vihinam.
Hridhi Chintayami.
Hridhi Chintayami.
Namo Ramana.
Namo Ramana.
Yes. Thank you everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Sorry.
ವಿನಿಯೋಗ PDF ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. You take the printout anyways. I will tell you some changes. I will send you a new PDF with some changes. You correct it.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನಮೋ ರಮಣ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.
Namo Ramana sir. Sir, that
Wait a second.